this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Hey, let's paint some monsters today. Boo-wah! All right, we are in the office. We are gonna do some editing. So yesterday, I got the pieces into the computer, took them with my large camera, made sure the highest DPI possible, and we have coming up with the photo section on Photoshop Elements. The program costs $50 at Best Buy, and it is fantastic. It does a lot. I can do everything I want with the big program without having to spend $1,000. So we are going to open, and we're in the Evil Grounds photos. So let's check out Evil 3. Boom. So this has been color corrected and set ready to go, cropped, made sure everything was correct, and so that one's good. And then we'll go and show you the next one, which is down here. So Evil 1, 2, and 3. So here's the first one we did. And it turned out really good. Boom. Nice. And we color corrected that one as well. They have gone, the customers have gone with the second one, which is the larger Grim Reaper. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create for them a logo with each one of them. That way they might be able to use it for like a special session, a site, and like that. But this is the one they went with. So now we have to do the lettering. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in a PNG or a PSD also. So once the lettering goes on, it is still mobile. So it's layer upon layer. And they will be able to adjust it at home when they want to sit there and add in, the address, and they add in, greatest scream park ever, that sort of thing. And so we could sit there and take it and put it up top here or down here. But if it went across here, we're going to lose a lot of our stuff. So we're going to have to be careful when we place the lettering. And that's going to help a lot with just the overall design. We also might come around and we might, let's see if we can try to do that. Let's go to layer. Okay, now we're gonna go to filter. Yep, destroy noise. Okay, we have distort, noise, render. Okay, now lens flare. No, don't want to do that. There's all sorts of things you could do. I think we're gonna wait for that. Yep. Might be able to do that here, but maybe not. So overall, this is the image we're gonna be working with, and we're gonna send it to them raw. That means I am going to have images in there for a business card and for a poster and for a postcard. But I'm not going to, the main one, we're going to leave it as is. So let's just see how big this image is. Let's see now. Image size, yes. So this bad boy is 14 inches high. It's 8 inches high and 14 inches wide. And it's at 300 DPI, so it's perfect for them to be able to blow it up or shrink it down or anything of that nature. So it has a high DPI to it. It is actually at present 32.1 32.1 megabytes. So it's going to be excellent for their usage, and no problems there. Now my wife is the one that uses this program the most, so it took me a little bit to figure everything out. There are certain buttons that I was not able to locate that was on the other program, so we're working on it. But here we are in Liquid, modifying the lettering. So you get a basic one and modify it up, and it works out pretty nice. You can do that with just about anything, and it still is legible. That's the most important part. It needs to look cool, it needs to be legible. And once that's done, back down it goes, and now it's time for drop shadow. And again, I'm doing these in a PSD, so that way the lettering can be moved anywhere. Doing the drop shadow right now, and that's working out pretty nice. Later on in pictures, you'll see where we were able to bevel them, emboss them, and make them look pretty cool. And so basically, I'm just placing them there. I showed the customers one that are above, one that's below, one across, different shadowing, and apologize for the grainy look because it is the computer. So this one looked out pretty nice, very basic, and there it is up on top. Then there's that one for the first one, a little bit more beveled look. And here it is, a great look, and all the little spikes and stuff on the lettering looks pretty cool. That's pretty basic, with a slight drop shadow. And here it is, the main one that they really like, and that worked out well. And then here we are with that one, it has a little beveled embossed. And of course our bad boy. Hey people, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We will see you on the next video.